Hi, this is Jeremy with Tokyo Campervans. We're gonna do a quick video just to show you how to use the snow chains. The set of 2 right here in this case. Now we're using the Tama here, and this is specifically the set for the Tama. The car is rear wheel drive, so we want to make sure we get him on the right back wheels. The case just looks like this. We do have some instructions. This is our special tool that we'll be using. This is our chain, and we got 2 of them. So first off, we want to make sure I have the correct side here. Now I'm going to put the outside facing up and the connected wire towards me, and then bring the whole chain around the back of the tire. Okay, cool. Okay. Kind of wiggled it into place. Now we have the lock. So we want to go ahead and clip it in here on top, nice and clipped in. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna have to pull pretty tight to make sure. Okay, so far so good. Now we're ready to take our special tool here and start locking it up. Okay. First, we can get the bottom. We need to pull as we need some space. Okay, cool. And lastly, snow tires are on and we are ready to rock and roll. Okay, now to take it off, same thing. We take our tool, unclip, unclip, unclip. Now we're gonna take this hook, unclip, take this hook and unclip, and kind of reach back here, and we can pull our clip forward at this point, and we pull that up, unclip it. Now this is the part we need to be a little bit careful so we don't get it stuck on any of the car tire, but we can basically start to flip this the other way. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. Flip it the other way. Cool. Also very simple. Just folds into thirds here, like so. To the case. Make sure all of our tools are inside for next time. Boom! There we go.